Odofo me bo me nsama o de ntini say wa yaade say wa sode na do afidie ato Adom TV any Apostle Dr. Anita Ekoto ye beto na montuo e Nkuranhyemre ho enye nhira ma ho ofie so no mo nten so enyo adwobre obusua ento yie enko yie die mu wadwuma wa are no sikasam ye die ne bedware wo enne so ye hyehyɛbre. And I've come with something. Live fully in the moment. Live fully. And the day ekurao. Na asema ya me de me sorry ya me kan Bible say this is the day I have made. Rejoice and be glad. And me de asema ya me de do. And then eda ma ya ma we Kofi to minute ekotegu yi. Mo ani nyi na dia urisi wanemu. Rejoice and be glad. Asem when I make a chere one, how can I rejoice and how can I be glad? Maybe some who asem we say, "Onyame e wasem chere say, why ene dey am me say me nyira me awusie. Na dey na me yu me dey awusie. E say me we free enra dey me fa mu no. E say me nyima obi dey o ye me dey che no. Eni say me dey ya odi trama kuma mu ne. E say me tu enra a kine. Na me tena na mu na me say ene dear na me de mani beto so a meyo a ene be wie ayepa asina nra. Focus and discipline are the two main things. I need to have the discipline of a military man. Ese me hyehyɛ ma brabo se osere ne a me gina okwan no emfa ho ne me fa mu nra emfa ho ne ka kire me nra emfa ho de ye me nra magyamu magyai the past ese se nra de me dimu a ebe ha me simple bi wo nra mu a me ya me suan ade wa fie nra mu de na me yo ya sinto ba ye a enko babium na me nka dia wo de ka kire me se empo me driver wo hia me kwamu a wo ye me wasem a me de akyɛw fakɔ wona wo bo hu dua se wo hia pere mu ti se me awtwa ma no enti nyama asem na wo kan ye nyama asem de ade yo me de wo say de na me ye ne ne na me nya hoto and your friend say this is the day I have made, rejoice and be glad in it. What can you do today? What ways are you going to think about today for you to be rejoiceful and to be glad? There are thoughts you will think that will make you sad. Don't entertain them in your mind. Adwimi wo a obetwa go adwimi pro so na day ena na no Ghana edin ena we say jai say wo ye omama ohene e wo Ghana nyina and think about you. Focus on yourself. There are times you need to focus on you. What am I doing today to make me glad? What am I doing today to let me rejoice? Oh no, you don't know. What am I doing today to let my wife rejoice? What am I doing today to make my husband rejoice and be glad, and my children? That's your focus. And then when you know, and then they cry, well, make sure you are living today at your best. Satana Basha, Satana Efe, if I'm to us a bro, Yamra Basha. Oh no, say, we dear so, said they be fata one. What I say? Na Pesubaya, I mean, no means to come eba. Wow, no. Na Pesubania, Ubenya, a bebwa war. And then they kura me. Onyamisi minia wurisie na mama n'enyi wo mu. Enioma ben na me ka kire me ho madwen proso. Abema me dia wurisie, e fa no positive affirmation. Anapa bia so de a unim rede na mom koto na bɔ mpae wo wi a ya hwɛ nim na ka kire wo sɛ me safata. Me your mama. Ena me si ye dia kwan so. Ene adom na edom me. Ene ehira na ebedware me. Ene empo Onyame de me fa kwampa so a me wie na day. Speak positively about your life. Don't say, hey, and that's my sorry, a bad you, a free aquajumamu, hey, traffic, hey. Don't start your day with anxiety. Start your day with words that will create joy and gladness in your heart. Me kwajuma ko share santoa. A bad dekeke. Because share empo frank, a bad fekeke. Because share a jampedu, a bad pemu keke. I'll be glad even for the people I'm going to meet in my life. o wa so na parwa hwe yire nim o ba ba ma ware ni me fi akopempena e ma o de ne nkoyie de ekura wo ne de ma woni nso na kasempa e fa de ekura wo ne ho na pen Kenya be Kenya wo na penya nsan be bubra ne da. This is the day the Lord has made for you. Do things that will make you rejoice and be glad. You can say rejoice in first room, if you near, if you are juniper, any empo susiepa, any subemu. So you make us say be glad. Gladness no, and you should better go abroad. So gladness comes as a result of the way you are thinking. A glad day comes as a result of the things you'll be doing. So do things that will make your day glad at the end of the day. Do your best. What I say, what idea? So now only your customers answer the bia obeto ade a mama we dey me kono ho a me wira hompo mama sere me kwa koto ade wo no papa we dey me hia na obu a hia na kroma as lamentations ya cho na nim na ocha good morning kwa good man no na nim ye bad morning mo good morning enye good na ma se de enka wa no kakra no bi hia wa o de se de hia ma we die mu every eniapa if any positive energy. Now, watching one year once will be a ben. In life, your thoughts can engineer positive vibrations or negative vibrations. Choose to attract positivity by being positive yourself. What I say, I dream and what dream no, me ending me sefata. And so many poor me people are seven. I'm say Philippians 4:8. Or say near dimu, dear sefata. Dear ejina wodoso dear hutwa say nyoma we na mebobo ho ma dwen so whatever things are pure, whatever things are lovely, whatever things are just, whatever things are of good report, think about these things. Oh no, Paul or a psychologist too, and nyoma wo dwen ho no na Kenya wonna no na adwuma me ntua ka me dem nyanka me ko we dem no abo san untimi nya adwuma no oba ben makofa ni oba he ne bi wondo no ma anije enware wabrabo anapa na awia no be fe ayede ma ensempa eni Nkuranhyensem enware usuban wabrabo adwene mu na woda no so be sane ayesa. As you think, so shall your day be. And think best thoughts, think excellent thoughts, and think discipline and focus on today. And then who abrabo bi abebo suanse anapebia so ya wa asrekere ho uni abonte obi nka se be wabodam peside bi na sere me hwe o sere ba me hwe o sere untimi sere wahunu peside bi na sere ne dey na ebe Kenya nsuo bi omu a ebe Kenya we de na yedi adware wo wo so anape wamuna na Ghana edion na bayire krabo edion na ntos efa ho ban adina ko yefo ni bia hwe jaisa obosobo ebobo na peside bi sere wo sere ababo no bebukan umuna so bebukan menna a wo me atumifo bi o se kofie wo de ani gye ayere ma wo na wo de abufo so kogye ayere ma wo na awieye no be kire ne abenya wo de ani gye a wo gye ani gye so de bubrapa na wo de abufo so gye na nkwama wanhwe yemfa ma obiom enti pa ni gye penyansa pewodo peside na nhye afromu ma na ene de yaya ma wo se mo nenye ene na eda ma wo enura atwam ko o kira nya mae de kura wo ye ne entuma ekura wo ye ne pamatade e be fata wo ne de afa hye on de kura wo ye ne ifra no peya kusu be no nsia bebo ene mpo no ndu bebo anadwo no na odu abrabo aye bibi na wa kan sempa bi akire obi frobi na bi senase na kan sempa bi kire no na ye ne ye pa bi kire obi na abrabo be dimu na aso ani na mpo ade achi a de ya ne no e be hye wo kina ama wo. What you do today will determine your tomorrow. Onyame nhira wate onyame kan wate onyame mie ne friends bi wosoro na ne nyansa ennokro wadwene na tona montio papa a wodonin enije wom aha na meja wo mama me na hema asanto ase ena Eja we be kampedu ase when na production team e kura me na mpo me math sound Frank and Osmosis camera Christopher and a Prince and a lighting and obi a boy adwumadi ba me nche MC afo nyina me da mo ase wo a onya mrehwe me de me ja hana me ka se woni onyame entina makrao